On a mysterious island, our adventurers stumble upon golden artifacts, sparking dreams of uncovering a hidden treasure trove. But the real excitement begins when they hear a strange bird call, rumored to lead to the fabled golden bird. Just as they're about to celebrate, their guide drops a bombshell: they must capture the guide bird by midnight to navigate the treacherous waters ahead. Reluctantly, the team ventures into the jungle, hoping to find the elusive bird before it's too late. Sometimes, the path to treasure isn't just about what you find, but also about who you trust and the unexpected turns your journey takes. Will they make it in time?